Hey YouTube, this is the Silver Millionaire here to talk to you today about the US dollar. So the US dollar is very important to know where it's gone and where it's going to go when you're trading gold, silver, and all your other precious metals. Just know it's not the end all be all. As you go out farther in time, it gets less important. But on the day-to-day gyrations, it's very helpful in finding buy-sell points. So here's the US dollar index on the let's see where it's been. So the 52-week high low is $91.92. The high 103.82. 5-year high low is 78.60. The high is 103.82. 10-year is 70.70. 103.82. The Bollinger Bands are coming in. The upper band is 102.90. Midline is 101.18. Lower band is 99.46. Today, the price is 101.13. So we're right in the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. So you might ask, where have we been? Is this high or is this low? So going back to 1985, it was 152.97. So there was a dollar bull market between the 80s and 85 where it went up from 100 and some to 152. Then in the 90s, traded back down into the 90s and then heated up all the way 2001 to about 2005 up to 119.43. Then traded all the way down to 71.80 during the financial crisis. The majority of its lifespan has been under 90, so that is good to know in the future. So we're on the relative high side, but it doesn't mean it can't continue to go up. So the upside resistance right now is 102.90, 103.82, 106.84, 109.56. It's a tough call. If we can go up there and test that 119 level, we'll trade back down to historical averages down in the 90s. So here's a chart showing you the US dollar overlaid with SLV index and the GLD. The GLD is going to be the magenta line and the SLV is the orange line. So this is a six-day chart and it's showing a lot of negative correlation. So it's very strong. But as you pan out over a year, it gets very noisy and it's less correlated. So over time I find the dollar versus gold correlation breaks down. But on the short term, it can help you find buy and sell points. The best correlation to the US dollar, or the strongest I would say, is US oil. So here's oil overlaid with the US dollar, and it's amazingly accurate. I mean, this thing is spot on. It's absolutely beautiful. So right here we show a 6-day chart of the US dollar, and so it's trading in that low 90s to a little over 100. Pan out, here's the 1-year chart, Bollinger Bands. So we're just chopping around. We've made some considerable returns. So this chart is probably the most important chart. If you look down there at the 2014 mark, it's ran 26% in 2014. So look for it to stabilize and consolidate for a little bit of time before it continues its move either up or down. So this is probably the most important graph that I will show you. But the most important point is, so when you hear people tell you the dollar is going up, gold can't go up. So in the past, there's been time periods where dollar goes up and the gold goes up, and sometimes it goes inversely. So it's not the end all be all. So stick to your buy points and buy when the time is right, not because some pundit says the dollar and gold can't move together, because there's a very low correlation ratio on that. So pick your buy points and buy gold. Thank you very much.